Well, YouTube is off to a great start. I decided to come out of my comfort zone and record a video about how to find landing pages when you have the specific offer URL. And what happened was I uploaded it and I got banned. So I thought to myself, it was probably the porn sites that came up when I was browsing through SimilarWeb. And I went back and I made an edit, and again I got the video removed. And then I decided I'm gonna split test it, and I uploaded one with me just on the webcam and the other one separately, and it lived for 12 hours, and I thought, okay, the blurring worked, and bam, I shared the link and I got banned again. God damn, like seriously. Anyways, I uploaded that video to Vimeo and I linked it on my Patreon page, so check it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to record another video for you today, and I hope that YouTube is not going to remove this one. This will be just a video of me finding random ads on MagicAdz for Facebook. So let's hope that they don't delete it, because if they do, then I really don't understand. Like, they probably have a problem against making guides on how to spy and find profitable campaigns. Anyways, let's get started and see what we can come up with. Alright, so let's see, where's this thing? Okay, just get this ready here. Oh god, the hurdles of affiliate marketing. Right, so I logged into MagicAdz, and this, in case you don't know, is one of the best spy tools for Facebook ads right now. Be sure to check the description below, because I have a coupon that lets you try this for 2 weeks for absolutely free, and after that it saves you 50 bucks each month. So as you can see, the interface is super simple, and you can just log into MagicAdz and click this thing here called Cloaked Affiliate Ads, and press search, and right away you're gonna have a bunch of ads that affiliates are running and hopefully making money. So for example, like this ad right here, revenge is a dish best friend. Like, let's just open it and see what the heck it is. He caught his girlfriend cheating, great way to punish her. Okay, so here is the actual ad on Facebook. Let's see, this one. Let's see where it goes. Now this is a safe article. They're cloaking this article, but this is the ad. Let's find another one. This one is a diet ad, obviously. Let's see, learn more what we can find out. Click URL, bam. Doesn't go anywhere. They're using Binom Tracker, as you can see. Here's the icon. Oh, here's the landing page. So the MagicAdz system was able to penetrate the the cloaker, and go through, and this is the actual lander that they were using. So weight loss pill, using some kind of BBC News angle. Here's the before and after. So this is definitely not the landing page that they link to. This is not the safe page. Let's see what the safe page is. So we open this, then we wait, then we click. Alright, so this is the safe page. You see, they're running traffic to this, and later they turn on the cloaker, and then they get this page. Unfortunately, we can't go through it. We would have to try and bypass the cloaker, and that's totally another guide on its own. Like, it's really complicated and stuff. Right now I just want to show you guys how MagicAdz makes it so damn easy to find stuff, like different kind of ads that people are using. Barely 24 days, and I'm wearing small for the first time since I was a kid. Cancel. This is a Shark Tank angle that is being used for diet, it seems. Let's see. Come on, load. Alright. Yeah, diet. See? Pretty crazy, huh? So this is the post URL. If we click it, here we go, learn more. More. Oh, the thing has been removed. What about if we use the redirect link? Also, they deleted this ad and this whole funnel already. Okay, go back. So it was probably not working for them. Here's actually a really cool trick. Click sort, and by the most commented, comments outweigh likes, because you can easily run a campaign in India and get a shitload of likes and it don't mean anything. So let's see. So we're looking for cloaked ads which have the most comments. Let's see something here. Oh, this one's some kind of Bitcoin angle. Let's check it out. It's foreign language, but whatever. Yep, something $2.3 million. La la la. Yep, see, it's a Bitcoin angle. Like, I run this stuff so I can just right away see the ad and know what it is. And the thing is that when you do affiliate marketing for a long time, and especially the ones with cloaked ads, then you can really tell right away which ones are the affiliate ads and which ones are not. But the problem is, unless you use a kick-ass tool like MagicAdz, use some kind of other Facebook spy tool, many of them just get all the brand ads and all the non-affiliate ads and everything in there. So to find real affiliate ads, you have to browse and browse and spend a lot of time and open a shitload of them and all that stuff by the time you discover one that's an actual affiliate ad. So let me just go back. So that one was a crypto one. Printing money straight from your phone. Let's see this one. This could be a casino one. Let's see what MagicAdz shows us. Air Asia goes rich. Oh no, this is also crypto. You see, this is the crypto offer. Bitcoin revolution is what they're promoting. So this could be a really cool angle to split test. What I usually do when I get into a vertical is I spy using MagicAdz, and I see what others are running, and then I come up with our own variation of this angle. So what you could do, for example, is you could split test 3 other CEOs of well-known companies in the country that you're running this offer in, and then change their picture, change the main paragraph to make it relevant to that guy, and change this up here, and then run a split test and see which guy does the best CTR on the lander, and ultimately who gets you the most conversions when you do a little test, I don't know, for $100 each for each lander. And then you just kill the bad performing ones and you run the best guy, and that's how basically you do it. So let's go back, close these. Well, here's a diet ad. I guess this is diet 2. This is some back pain, another diet ad. Let's see this one. Controversial. People love controversy. Alright. Let's see. This one was a... what the heck is it? Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin revolution. This seems to be doing pretty well on Facebook, it seems. It's also Bitcoin. This is an e-commerce ad, like insoles. I know they're very popular. Here's a casino ad. Let's check this out. Right. So they were running to a spinner. These landing pages actually do super well for sweepstakes as well. You, instead of having like 125 spins and 100 match 15 spins, what you have is you have like an iPhone here, like a gift card here, and a bunch of other stuff, and it spins around. And basically what we do, or what I did in the $1 push guide that I'm going to publish soon, is I tested you know, like different kind of offers, and then I learned which one does the best. And with the spin thing, I just make it always stop on the one that converts the best for me, and then people always get funneled towards that offer. So you can do exactly the same. Even if you have multiple casinos being split tested, you could have, you know, one casino here, another here, another here, another here, and then always make the wheel stop using the code in the landing page on the on the one that gives you the best CR and conversions. All right, so that's a casino one. Let's check the ad. Suspected money page. This is the ad on Facebook, if it's still up and they didn't delete it.
Always these thousands.
It's a reaction video.
Always these thousands. Oh my god. 1,100.
Yeah, these seem quite popular. You see they have it localized to Canada. Here is a bait, you know, tons of money being counted. Another thing I would split test is a cash machine, counting tons of cash. And then here's the chick, and then she's reacting. So what they usually do is they either get these on Fiverr, get people to, you know, film themselves reacting to something, or they look online on YouTube and they take these reaction videos for all kinds of different things. So that's how that one works. Alright. As you can see, there's so many ads, and all you have to do is just, you know, right click on it, open, and then go down. Here's another casino, open. Here's another interesting one, another one, and just basically go through and take a look. Like, that's what I usually do, get ideas, get a bunch of landers, and then start as my control. And we usually come up with our own angles, because own angles always do way better than just ripping and running. Like, I don't recommend rip and run. Like, for the skin stuff that we run, I don't even spy anymore, because I've been running it for so many years that I know exactly what makes people convert. So we just come up with angles based on the triggers that people need to see or they need to hear in order to convert. So this one is a, let's see, casino. You need to do a deposit to get 30 bucks bonus added. Another casino. Wow, this is a pretty cool lander. Very nice. Alright, what is this one? Another casino. This one, million Bitcoin revolution. Yes. See, another Bitcoin. What about this one? Controversy. What's the controversy about? Oh yeah, Bitcoin. We looked at this one. I just forgot to close it. Yeah. Alright, closing these. Let's go back to the main one. Oh, this is funny. Caught my attention right away. She's hilarious in movies and stuff. Let's open that one, go back. Actually, if you hold down Control or Command and click, then you can just open a bunch of them. Let's see this one. It's probably Diet, not sure. Another casino. This has to be Diet, holy. Really eye-catching. I don't know what this one is. Let's see. There's another with money. This could be probably casino. This is also casino or Bitcoin. The ads, as you can see, are usually suggestive of the offer. If your ad is clickbaity, then it won't really work for specific verticals, as well as those type of offers that are interruption based. So clickbaity stuff usually work for offers that run on POPs networks. So for that, you can use a spy tool like Adplexity to find stuff that works well on POPs, and then try a clickbaity angle on Facebook and run that. Alright, so this one, Prime Skincare. Let's see. We don't go. Oh, this is bad. Let's see if it opens. Nope, this is the safe article. So this is what a safe article looks like. I mean, one way to enhance a safe article is to add AdSense, because what the manual reviewers want to see is they want to see how the hell you're optimizing. I mean, how the hell you're making money from your page. So these guys obviously don't have any monetizations. As a reviewer, looking at this page, they're more likely to flag it as some kind of black hat ad. Let's see this one. She's leaving, quite common. Oh, this is a skin. Yep, this is a skin. Some more advanced wrinkle cream. Single step. Interesting. Next one is this diet one or skin? Let's see. Diet, you see. This was, or this picture right here has been used forever and ever, and it's very popular. Next one. Also diet. I mean, it's obvious. Like, look at the ad. If this would be for skin, then they would have shitty CR. But the landing page is really good. It's really bold. It has a single step. Or maybe the other step is on the offer page when they arrive. Who knows? What the heck is this one? Something with internet. Increase internet. Wow, this is so awesome. This is a e-commerce product that supposedly boosts your internet speed. Very cool. So they're using clickbaity ads, which are suggestive that it's some kind of tech thing, and then they have an advertorial, which you know, like probably starts off. I don't understand this. I think is in German. They probably start off with the problems like, is your internet slow, la la la, you know, there has been a kick-ass discovery and it's super easy, like what can this do for you, and then this is how it works, and look at the results, and bam, buy it now. So pretty nice. Okay, so this one, Jenna, that means woman. One big playing. Let's see. Oh, it has a bunch of casinos on here. Interesting. Yukon Gold. So they're promoting Yukon Gold. So they probably, what they did is, like, if we watched earlier, I was mentioning how it's important to split test, and with those spinning wheel landing pages, you know, I usually start with 3 or 4 offers and add them into the landing page, like with an iPhone, or you know, get a gift certificate to Amazon or to Media Market in Europe or Walmart or whatever. And after you gather some data and you ran some tests, what I do is I pick the one that does the best, and I make my spinners stop on that one. So what these guys did is they probably tested all of these offers, and they prefer the Yukon Gold one. That could be it, but now I'm just seeing that these are actually just past winnings. But I mean, this is another idea I just had based on first impression of this lander that you could try. Alright, so let's see the next one. This one is casino or crypto. Let's see. $1,000 a day, I guess. How did they do $1,000 a day? Okay, so this one is some kind of Bitcoin, crypto, yes. Okay, this is crypto as well. Cool, cool. So as you can see, it's so easy to find profitable ads, and that's why I really, really love this MagicAdz software, because before they came out, there were other tools that, like Facebook Ad Spy, and the problem with these tools was that they had a lot of brand ads, and, you know, like ads that have nothing to do with affiliate marketing, ads that basically are just money being blown and spent, and there's no performance to them at all. And it took a long time, you know, to sift through. Like, you have to go to like 10 pages to find one real affiliate ad, whereas here you can just, you know, click this one and click search, and bam, you have a shitload of ads, and then you can really get the work done and find the best ads. So, but anyway, I'm gonna end it here. If you want to check out MagicAdz, be sure to use the coupon in the description below. And let's hope that YouTube doesn't delete this video, because seriously, like, I'm trying to help you guys, and I'm trying to, you know, share lots of good content. But I mean, if YouTube always deletes my stuff, then I'm just not going to do it, because it's a pain in the ass, you know, to have to battle something like, oh god. Anyways, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Talk soon. Bye.